Hi everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Florence, Tuscany. We are here to visit together a beautiful, newly restored apartment. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The palazzo of the apartment is located right in front of Porta San Frediano, which is one of the gate accesses of the historical walls of Florence. We are in the historical center and let's go inside. The palazzo dates back to the 1900s. An interesting fact about this building is that on the third floor in the 1930s, the founding Gucci brand family members lived here in the period where their empire was growing. This is the large entrance area of the palazzo with these high ceilings, the arches, the beautiful marble checkered floor. From here, we also access onto the large common courtyard of the property. From the courtyard, we have a second access to the palazzo and also the access to a large room where everybody can store their bike. All of the levels of the palazzo can be accessed through this beautiful historical stone staircase, but also the palazzo is equipped with its very own elevator. The property we're about to see is on the piano nobile, so the first floor of the palazzo. Let's go and see it. Welcome inside the apartment. It is 175 square meters, which is 1,880 square feet. It has a total of 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The apartment has been totally newly restored and it is blending this beautiful style of classic and modern aesthetic, whilst at the same time including brand new fittings and fixtures. All of the systems, doors and windows are brand new. The floorings have been completely covered and enriched by gorgeous Italian terracotta, and during the restoration, several beautiful frescoed ceilings were discovered and brought back to light. In fact, it can be lived either as a large single unit or also easily be divided into 3 smaller parts, each one with its kitchen or kitchenette, ideal to optimize rentals. The systems have also been set up to easily facilitate 3 independent living spaces. The property can be accessed and regulated through your phone without even needing a key, thanks to the home automation system. Let's start with the main large living space. It has some gorgeous high ceilings with these beautiful frescoes that I'm glad have been discovered. They're for sure a great conversation piece to talk about and enjoy while sipping on a glass of wine. This is the main and largest kitchen of the apartment. As we go around, you will notice how several details have been finished with this beautiful Carrara marble. The kitchen is equipped with this beautiful island part on this side, the induction hob over here, the oven, and on this side we have the fridge and freezer. We have also extra space on the left side if you would like to install a larger unit fridge. This room is a great entertainment space, ideal to host some guests. On this corner of the room we have this beautiful sitting area with this window right here that gives so much natural light. On the other side we have this office corner right beside this door that leads into the first bedroom of the apartment. It is nice and spacious, full of light, and it also has its own air conditioning unit. Let's now proceed on this side This room right here, at the moment, it is a cozy office space, but could be easily converted into a bedroom by putting the bed right here. It has access to its beautifully tiled bathroom right here, and to this precious little terrace over here that has also been tiled with terracotta. And this is the perfect, cozy and quiet space to enjoy a drink outdoors. The apartment keeps going. We have a WC over here, perfect to serve the common spaces. And from this part right here, we can notice how the division of the property is very smart. In fact, by opening these doors, it becomes one single unit, but by closing them, this part over here can be used independently. Let's have a look. This area starts with its own bathroom. On this side, it is beautifully tiled with these dark blue tiles and the terracotta on the floor. Whilst over here, we enter the bedroom. I love the marble details at the bottom of the door. It as well has the terracotta with this really nice pattern. Here we find a wardrobe built into the wall. And now let's see the living spaces. In the end, we find this beautiful and cozy sitting space. On this side, it has its own marble detailed kitchenette, air conditioned, and through this window it gets natural light and overlooks the internal courtyard. At the moment, this is furnished as a separate unit, but ideally it could also be turned into a beautiful master bedroom wing of the apartment, turning this room right here, which is the largest, into the bedroom area with its little kitchenette slash bar area over there. On this side, it gets to its bathroom, and where there currently is the bedroom, it could be turned into a wonderful walk-in wardrobe. Let's now keep going. Through the hallway that connects the units, we have access to a door that leads to the laundry area of the apartment. And this is the last unit of the apartment that I'd like to show you. It has this cozy central sitting area with a window over there that gets natural light from the courtyard. Through that door, there is its kitchenette, and over here, the bedroom. On the ceiling, we find these stunning frescoes that are in a different style than the others we've seen. This shows how they've been decorated during two different periods. Have a look at this beautiful bedroom. It has its very own view onto the courtyard, as well as some gorgeous frescoes on the ceilings, air conditioning, and over here, it's beautifully tiled ensuite bathroom. We've now reached the end of today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this apartment as much as I did. I would just like to finally mention that all of the furnishings that you see are included, making this the perfect move-in turnkey property. It has a charming historical soul and a chic finish. Before I leave you, please remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao.